So we might as well just unbox this as well. As you can see right here, item RD344. Our good friends of Pipedream have made this. And it is fragile, so gotta handle it with care. I already opened the box up a little bit. Gently open it up. Let's see how this all goes. Paper stuck to it. It's Ultimate Fantasy Mandy. So this is actually their latest model, and yeah, I decided to check that out real quick. Of course, I can't show any nudity bits, so the only thing that I can do is get all this stuff out of there real quick, and yeah, show you guys maybe how it's been packed. Of course, foam and stuff. And here is actually the head. There we go. So you know what, I'm just gonna go and set her up so that you guys can see what she looks like, because I can show you what she looks like right now, but it's gonna be flagged on YouTube because she's naked. So be right back. And here we go. Here she is. She still has her arm sleeves on. And I actually think this is actually a custom wig that I had from a while back. She kind of looks like Scarlett Johansson, if you ask me, you know, which I think is really cool because I really like Scarlett Johansson. So, and she's put back here in the closet where Kitty was, as my girlfriend doesn't want to get jump scared when she comes home, which is understandable. But yeah, this is I don't know, she's really cool looking. She's around 33 kilograms. She has shrugging shoulders. Her head bolt is actually a click system where you first turn in the head bolt in her head, and then you just pop on the head like that, which I think is pretty revolutionary. I don't know if other brands have done this before, but this is actually the first time that I see it. And yeah, really amazing detail. As you can see, the abs, and of course her chest, pretty small, but then again a little bit puffy because she's of course very fit. But she's amazing. I do need to buy other pants for her because these are way too short actually. But the shoes and the socks fit, and we need to get the arms off and then put her in a more female friendly dress. Less sporty, if you know what I mean. And yeah, again, really cool stuff. The Pipedream makes amazing products. They look amazing, and yeah, I love the skeleton build. Like I said, especially with the shrugging shoulders right now, so that you can get the individual shoulders can go up, which is very nice. Apparently, I've seen apparently people on the forum say she's very bendy. You can see on the pictures on Pipedream website that she does a split and stuff like that, which is really cool. Normally, when you do that with like cheap dolls, the TP or the silicone starts to tear. So again, Pipedream really knows how to make this stuff good. And yeah, there's not much that I can say about this. It's just a new cool art piece. Probably gonna put her downstairs, maybe behind the JBL party box one day, or maybe take her in the drift car just for fun, put her on the back seat. But yeah, again, really amazing stuff. So thanks for watching, checking this out. And yeah, these are or this is actually the appearance of Mandy from Pipedream. If anybody wants to buy, you can check out the Ultimate Fantasy Dolls website on Pipedream. And I've been sponsored by them before, so yeah, you need to go and check them out. From Mandy and me, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, if you have any comments, drop them down below. Thanks for watching.